Okay, another codingbat problem. This is the third one in the array1. This is the reverse 3. Now I'm going to give you a more general solution as well as the basic solution. The simple one is, if I know I have exactly length 3 of an array, all I need to do is reverse element 0 and element 2. So let's just do it the really simple way. Swap is also known as element 0 and 2. Classic problem. If I want to swap the value in two places, well, I need to store one in a temporary location. So int, I'll call it temp equals my nums array element 0, the first element, index 0. Now put into num0 the last element, nums2, all based on knowing I have a 3-element array. Now put what's in nums2, what I stored in a temporary location. Alright, now let's go and almost forgot. It's expecting the return value from this function is supposed to be an array. So I can't just change 2 that's been passed on the stack. I want to return an array. See how it's expecting an array to be returned from this function. It returns an integer array. So I need to return an integer array. And since array was handed to me in the parameter, if I change that array, I'm happy with how I've changed it, I can return it. Now let's see if I really have the right answer. Click and go. And I have all green, so yes, I solved that problem. Now that went by so fast, I want to show you another solution that if I wanted to reverse an array that was additional length. Well, in this case, I don't know how long the array is, and I want to reverse the array. Well, here's an easy way to do this. As I create a second array, I'll call it reversed. Int reversed equals new int, and the length or the number of elements in it is nums.length. So I create an array exactly the same length as nums, and let's fill it in reverse order.
Hi. Are you working? Mondays and Thursdays. I never remember. I figured you would. I remember. It's too hard. No, it's not. Mondays and Thursdays. Get up. Nothing. Please, I'm not. It's okay.
Now, I want the reverse to get filled in a reverse order. So, the element that's going to take element nums I,
I made sweet potato pie.
as I go through each element I, I'm going to be putting them at the other end of the reversed array. So, what goes at the other end is, at the index, what it would be, let's see, it would be nums.length minus 1, that's the very last one, and minus I to continue on filling it at the other end, basically filling it in the reverse order. And then for this to work, I have to return reversed array. In order to test this, I comment this return out. So this code is just useless. This is actually going to do good work. If I return reversed, let's see if I have the right answer. Uh-oh. 3, 2, 1. What did I do wrong here? Nums.length. Reverse nums.length minus 1 minus I.
I just made 3% of 5, and then we just had sandwiches and thresholds. That's it.
Is set to be equal to nums. Oh, I know what happened. This code actually does mess me up, so I can't have that code do anything. I forgot that code actually is messing with the nums array. There we go.
I'm not sure
So,
we got dinner.
I forgot that that code actually messed up my nums array. Here, I'm simply reversing the array, putting it in a new array that I have created of the same length, and I return that array. There's an answer for that one. This only for a 3-element array. This for any element array.